Hello and welcome to using Jarvis inside of the workflow tool feature. So today what I'm going to go through is exactly how can you leverage Jarvis and get the most out of him in order to build, workflows that are going to action your social data. So as we dive into Jarvis here, it's important to mention that Jarvis has the ability to both create a workflow through simple prompting, as well as edit a workflow. And editing obviously is really interesting because you can get it to add new stuff or you can get it to debug, i.e. if there is an error, you could feed that error back to Jarvis and he can go ahead and fix that error. So for example, on this workflow, maybe I want to delete the Attio node that I have here. So all I need to say to Jarvis is, can we go ahead and delete the Attio node. Now you don't need to say which workflow. If you're on the given workflow, it already has that context and therefore it will go ahead and run this for you. So you can see it's going to start planning the steps that's required in order to delete the workflow. It's then going to go ahead and tweak the automation itself. And there we go. It's saying it's going to delete the Attio node, and you can see the Attio node is now gone. We could do the same if there was an error. So let's do this. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use the author URL for this workflow. For context, this workflow, just so you know, is monitoring a particular profile. It's grabbing the likes of that profile, i.e. anytime that person posts. And then it's enriching these individuals before it then gets their emails as well. Now, if I test this flow here, what should happen is this should fail because it's the incorrect URL that I'm using here. There we go. So it's come ahead and failed. And so we can say to Jarvis, if I go back to here, my workflow is failing. Have a look at my last log and can you help me fix it? So now I am being a little bit specific here. I'm telling it to look at the logs, which is these particular parts here, and then I'm asking it to fix it for me. So if Jarvis works correctly here, Jarvis should go in to the get post likes node and swap the author URL to the post URL. So there we can see it's reviewing the logs, and the problem here is perfect. It's spotted this. So now it's going to go ahead and fix this for me. There you go. It said it's fixed it, and it's back to post URL. And that's how you can use Jarvis to go ahead and edit particular workflows or fix them. You don't have to do it from this screen. You can go ahead to one of your recent chats. So for example, if I leave here, I could also do it from here should I wish to do that.